I want to thank every one of you. We will continue to stand on the path of right. We will defend the dignity and the integrity of the Rivers people. We will not be intimidated. We will continue to do those things that are right, that will make you proud. We're not going back on it. By the special grace of God, what they thought it was going to be evil, God turned it to good. I will not end by not saying this. I'm surprised that I saw the local government chairman of Oboibema here. I'm really surprised, because I know that for a very long time now, any event that has to do with the state government or the local government chairman, as it were, don't participate. I hope when you leave here, they are not going to sack you. Because I know you are not loyal to me now, so are they not going to sack you? Or when you leave here, you will grant another press interview that it was not you, that it was your shadow. But let me say it here. Every one of you who think you're disrespecting me, you already dug your pit. You will fall inside it. That is the truth. Our minds are very open. We do not wish anybody bad, but we expect you to do and know what is right. For those of you who have chosen to take the path that you think is that way that leads to their salvation, safe journey. But let me remind you, you see, the river, or what you call stream, one theory about it is this: when it flows in a way or directions that has less resistance. You know what I mean, less resistance? It doesn't go to where there is blockage. It goes to where we allow it flow, and that becomes what you call the turning, the channel of a river or a sea. Similarly, Fubara and his team will continue to take that course that God has given us. We will flow in a direction that your resistance. Look, it doesn't matter to us. We will take the course where, one way or the other, we will get to our destination. And we will make our people proud. They say we are clueless. If providing quality education for our people is being clueless, I agree with them, I accept it. They say we're clueless. If providing quality healthcare services to our dear people means being clueless, we agree with them. It's the truth. They say we are clueless. If targeting critical projects, like this road that we are just awarded, that they've started, el-rufai, Ebeda, Omok Road. If they say it's being clueless, we agree with them. But we will not go and do road to our farm. We will not go and do road because we want to please somebody politically. No. We will do those things that our people, everyone, will benefit from. If that one means being clueless, if I change my name to Mr. Clueless. But I thank God, whatever it is they think or they imagine, whatever we're doing, the few we have touched, everyone can attest to it, that there are critical projects consign aspects of the well-being of our people. We made a promise to Mr. President to support him and we'll continue to support him. How do we support him? Ensuring that our people, their welfare are cared for. Ensuring that our people, those critical things that will make them happy in this harsh situation, we embattle them. Even if we cannot solve all the problems, but we'll go as much as we can to mitigate those things. That is the only way to support Mr. President. We're doing it in the housing. We're doing it now in health services. That is the support. Support is not to carry policemen with plain clothes to come and intimidate people. We will not support Mr. President in that form. We will not record anything that will cut short the life of anybody in this state. We will make this state that society that everyone bears for, egalitarian society, where you're free to express yourself, move about, criticize me objectively, not with because of your bitterness. Maybe your criticism will help me, give me a focus. That is the society that I want, and that is the society we want to build. Let me thank this wonderful family. Our leader, this is the best thing you have done, I can tell you. It is the best because you are doing it when you are not in office. The ones I'm doing now, take note, it's not my own, it's public fund, not I, it's public fund. This one we are commissioning today is I. I'm even surprised that he didn't use the word I. So I dash you the word, take an I. Huh? The road we are building, it is not I, it is public fund, it is we. So when I say I am happy to identify with this one is what we call the I project. So I'm happy to be part of this I project. I project for the family of the Odilies. They've written their name in sand of history. Nobody will forget them. You know what it means. Let me even share this story with you. When I was about, when let's say they gave me the ticket, my place, unfortunately, the king of my place is here. The general hospital of Popo was abandoned. Social media was always attacking me. You want to be governor, you don't have healthcare service in your place. Little case they take to Ekorabase. Is it not shameful? Do you know what I did? I had to personally, with the help of friends, put that hospital in place. No. What I want is to tell you when you want to do things, the importance of medical services. It was with the help of friends, we had to put that general hospital together and it started functioning. And I tell you, we saved a lot of lives. There is a royal father here, I don't want to mention his name. He lost his son because there wasn't any functional healthcare service in his place. I don't want to mention his name. He's here in our midst. He lost his son. So people don't know the importance of health services. It's not an issue of you go and build something, you call people to come and commission, you dance, and it's not working. That's not part of our, it's not our agreement with Rivers people. Our agreement with Rivers people is anyone that will want to participate, we will ensure that it functions and it works well. And that is leadership. That is having concern of the people. So let me end it there. I'm happy to identify with this I project. I want the Ndoni people, the Ogbebema people, to own this project, defend it, care for it. It is only when you care for this, more will come. People will be encouraged to come and invest in your place. It is when you support this and protect it people will also come. Other rich men here will say, look, there is need for us to do this and do that for our people, for their well-being. So I want to thank you for accepting to protect it. For we as a government, like I said earlier, whatever is required to make it function effectively, we will do that and provide for you. Let me on this note thank every one of you, more especially my entourage, the majesties, highnesses that has come with us from Port Harcourt to be part of this history. I want to thank every one of you. God will continue to bless you for being part of a positive history of the Indonesian people.